Hello, good day. My name is Daniel Liew. I'm the AI pharmacist. Now I'm going to teach you how to use the Smart Attendance Tracker. Okay, as you can see here, there are three tabs. Very simple tab, which is 01, Setup tab, Generate QR, and Scan Attendance tab. First, you need to connect to your Google Sheet. Okay, scans are sent to your own Google Sheet through a small Google Apps. Okay, what you need to do is you need to open up this and then read the instruction here, how to go about, and then you just copy the script. And then you need to go to, what you need to do is you rename the spreadsheet over here as attendance tracker. Okay, and then you go to the extension, app script. In the code.js here, you highlight everything and you paste the script just now. And you rename this as attendance tracker and you rename it. After that, you save the project and you try to run the project. And then you will have this authorizations required. Click on the review permission and you just allow. Even though it's prompt as not safe, but then it's actually safe. Don't worry about this. Okay, then you deploy the app, new deployment. Click on the web app, attendance tracker, me, myself, and then anyone. And you click on deploy. And then you have this web app URL. You just copy the web app URL. And then you go to the Smart Attendance Tracker. Paste on it. Save URL. And to make sure it works, you need to send a test row. So you go back to the Google Sheet just now. Underneath the Sheet 1 and also attendance, right? You click on attendance. You will see the session, name, destination, time, and date. Okay, so this is the log that you will receive each time they scan the QR code. Okay, it means it's working. So you just remove this sheet 1. So that is the first part, setup. So we will go to the second part, which is generate QR. Okay, so what you need to do is you add in the name and also the destinations. So I put in Daniel Liew, pharmacist. Okay, you can add in a few. Pharmacist, assistants, and James, Low, and then engineer. So what you need to do is you generate the QR code. So there will be 4 QR code in a row. You can generate as much as possible. You can have a list of attendees, okay, with the designation. You just copy and paste from the sheet and just paste inside. Generate QR code. And you can actually print or save as PDF. And then to send to the participants to scan later on. And actually send to your participants via emails or WhatsApp to them. They can scan through the QR code on that day itself. So we will go to the next part, scan attendance. First, quickly fill in your session name and date up here. This is what gets logged into the sheet alongside every single scan, so you know which event each row belongs to. 26th of August, and then you save on the session. If your device has more than one camera, like the front and back camera on the phone or USB webcam plug into laptop, a drop-down appears so that you can pick which one to use. So you click on the live camera, start camera, you can actually choose the camera that you have. And then here there's a button for you to do full screen. Okay, so you will have this QR code. Whenever there's a meeting, just bring in. So already scanned, Daniel Liew. Or you can actually use phone to scan also. James Low. Okay, James Low is logged in. So it's very simple to use. If someone forgot or lost their card, no problem. Just type their name into the search box here and check-in button appear next to their name. Up here, you got a live snapshot. Total expected, how many are present with running percentage, and how many are still absent or pending. So down here, you can actually have this session log. At any point, even mid of the event, you can download a CSV or Excel backup of everything scanned so far, right from the session log. What happens if there's no internet, right? If you have internet connection, there will be a sync over here. If let's say there's no internet or connection, okay, so it will be offline, nothing is queued. The data will be saved in your phone or in the laptop. You will have this local storage. As soon as there's internet, go back to normal. You will actually upload from your phone Google Sheet to the Google Sheet just now. So that's Smart Attendance Tracker. No app to install, no server, no monthly fees, everything in your Google account. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Link in description. Thanks for watching.